Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I would like to invite you to a challenge that we do on the 21st each month with our elf dolls. Any elf dolls at all. That includes Christmas elves, but is not limited to it. I do this collab every month with Jay at J Dolls UK, Dory at Dory's Dollies, Tina at Tina's Reborns and More, and Penny at Playful Reborns. And on the 7th of each month, we give a theme of what we're going to do on the 21st. We upload our videos at 10 a.m. on the 21st, and because the hashtags are just no longer working, please, in everyone's comments, when you join in these collabs and challenges, put in the comments that you also have a video so we don't miss them. I love this outfit. We're doing back to school this month, and I think she's just ready to go. This was made by Joni at Stop Motions Creations, and I absolutely love it. The little outfit, that is. You can dress any elf doll at all. I got to show off my Mitty. I love her. I found this bow. Gosh, I think it was the Dollar Tree. There was a little, there's 3 or 4 on it, and I bought it. This is Elfina, and Darren actually made her midi size elf ears. I love them. I love my elf dolls. I hope you'll join in on the 21st at 10 a.m. Central and show off your elves too. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.